Hello and welcome. I'm Ben Spirk with Jones Bank, and this is the 12 Days of Crop Insurance Claims Edition. One of the biggest questions we get every year around crop insurance is what happens if my field takes damage multiple times throughout the growing season. Well, to answer that, let's first look at crop hail policies. Here in the Midwest, specifically in Nebraska, we have crop hail policies that help protect against inclement weather as well as the federal crop insurance program. So what happens when you have multiple storms that hit throughout the year with the crop hail policy? Well, what'll happen is first you'll need to contact your agent, and then after that we'll get an adjuster out, and the adjuster will inspect the field. What they'll do is they'll determine an initial damage at that first storm. So let's say that's June and you get a hailstorm, and after the inspection we say that you have about 15% damage. Then July comes around and you get hit by another storm. What we'll do is we'll file another claim, the adjuster will come back out, we'll take another look at the field, and they'll figure another total damage on the field. So let's say it's now jumped up from 15 all the way up to 25% damage. And what they'll do then is they'll say, okay, well, we know there's already been 15, so we'll add on another 10% of damage for the increase since the field is now at 25% damage, and that's how it'll get handled for a crop hail policy. And they'll keep doing this throughout the rest of the year until either the field reaches 100% of damage or it's harvested. Now let's talk about the federal crop insurance policy, or MPCI. This is quite different from the crop hail policy where they come out the instant you have damage. Federal crop insurance, they won't necessarily do that. What we'll actually do is once you've harvested that field, we'll want your total production. Here at Jones Bank, we have a spreadsheet that we use to help us figure out if you've actually had a loss or not. This spreadsheet takes into consideration your actual production off the field versus your guarantee, as well as your coverage level and the current price of the commodities versus what they were back in the spring when that price was set. What we'll do then is we'll figure out if you had a bushel per acre loss. If you did, we'll end up submitting a claim for you. Probably give you a call because we'll need some scale tickets to help speed up the process with the company, but we'll get that claim filed and get you taken care of as well. Thank you for watching. Again, this has been Ben Spirk with Jones Bank, reminding you to be well, live well, and insure well.